A few weeks ago, a really good customer of mine asked me to commission him a platinum diamond set halo. We had one big problem. We only had 24 hours for a birthday. Now, I'm James from Blackwell Jewellers, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how we've done that. We make jewellery, and that's what we do best. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Jesus Christ!